So firstly you have to insert 3 more video tracks, so you have 4 in total, and on each video track you have to insert a empty event. Now you want to now trim the anti-events to how long you want the animation to last. Like, I want to trim them to 2 seconds, so I'll do that really quick. Put VCC extruded text to all of the 4 empty events. VCC plugins take up a lot of memory, so on a bad PC it will load very long. So I recommend you to turn like the preview to draft and full. Okay, now once you have insert all BBC extruded text, you want to set up the animation. You start by adding each letter of the text to each empty event. Before I forget it, put whatever you want, like extrusion style, whatever style you want, but I like metal brushed metal, and put the style you chose for like 1 letter to all letters. If not, it's gonna look not very nice. Okay, now that everything is in metal brushed metal, no, not that, we can continue. So now you have to size like all of the 4 letters, or how many letters you have in your animation. You do that by going to built-in camera, taking the animation watch at zoom. You go to the last keyframe and add 1 keyframe, put it as the last one, go to the first one and make it a small keyframe, a 0.5 or 1, like you preferred. I prefer actually 1. Do that to each letter that you have in your text. So once you've sized up every letter, you have to position them correctly. Just go like again to the video effects tab, and now you can move them as you want. You don't have to position them very symmetric and proper, because in the end you can't see like a real big difference. Once you have positioned your letter, we have to animate them. We do that by going to transformations and animating orientation X, Y and Z. Just click again the animation watch. Animate them as they have to be in the first keyframe when the animation pops up. Just do that as you want, as you like it. Once you've animated each first frame, we go to the last frame and animate these frames. We can just double every amount that you put in the first frame at the last frame. Just put the half of it. Minus 7.5, minus 5, not, yeah, 5, just 5. Once you have edited all last keyframes, we just mark the animation and press Shift and D. What Shift and D does, it pre-renders the animation so you can look it up in the preview window without lags. If you failed some positioning like me, you can just correct it in the end. Don't forget to disable resampling and add RSMB to each track. Finally add a green screen so you can put it over other clips. Just render it out now by going to render as and choose your render settings.